on board wasn't such a good idea.
I'm sure that was his last sneeze, wasn't it, Clifford?
Clifford is just too big for this boat.
I'm afraid Jetta is right, Emily Elizabeth. Our houseboat is a little too small for a pirate the size of Big Red Clifford.
Gosh, my being here is kind of ruining the pirate party. I think I should just go.
We'll come with you, big guy.
Yeah! We can have our own party on the beach.
Great idea, T-Bone. I say we politely ask Clifford to leave the party.